Good morning. It's Sunday, January 24th, 2021, and it rained all day Saturday. It's nice because we needed the rain, but man, it is a really cold morning. We got a lot to do, so I'm going to show you what I'm doing today. We had this pile of mulch delivered Friday, and it's been sitting in the driveway for 2 days. It got rained on, so it's definitely cooking, but we need to move it down by our avocados. All right, so right here in this area, there was a big dip, and you can kind of see, it doesn't show up quite well on camera, but up here is where the avocado tree is, and right about there is where the ground level is, and then it right below it starts dropping, and it drops probably 3 to maybe 4 feet down to here. So I'm kind of building a hugelculture wall to where I put down a lot of wood from the avocado grove, and then I've been piling up wood chip, and it's probably 1.5 to 2 feet deep of wood chips right in here. And then we're gonna keep filling it in where she's dropping to fill in this last area. And the goal would be to bring it up to where it's almost level, so that way we don't have a steep like rolling hillside, and then that way water doesn't travel down it so fast. So that's the goal with all the wood chips on the driveway, is just to make a very deep bedding and then let that just kind of break down and decompose over a long time. And then after that, plant in some more avocados to fill in this block that's missing. Alright, so today turned out to be a super crazy day where we got really busy and I wasn't able to continue filming. Now that I do have some free time, it's towards the end of the day, I do want to do a couple of things. The first thing is feed the avocados before the rain comes in tonight. So that looks good. It's all mixed up between the 2 buckets, roughly 10 gallons, a little bit short on each one, but I mixed them both and then they're both filled about the same. So I'm gonna take that down and we're gonna go water the 4 avocado trees right now. All right, so here are the trees. They're looking good. They didn't completely wilt over and die or anything. I mean, they're a little sparse on leaves, but they are throwing out new growth. So that's good. This fertilizer will help with that. We're only gonna keep this exposed probably for the next maybe week or so while it rains. That way the soil can just get drenched with that really good rainwater. And then after that, we'll come and mulch it over once the sun comes out. That way we can protect the moisture that is down there and keep the trees nice and happy. I am gonna go ahead and grab the 5-gallon buckets and water these 4 trees. So I'm not doing anything really special right now. I'm just gonna mix this up, make sure the alfalfa is all suspended in the water. And here I'm not sifting out the alfalfa for them. The alfalfa is just gonna go into the soil and that'll just break down and be a long-term feed along with the alfalfa tea that's going to feed them right away. One other thing I just wanted to say real quick was that this 2.5 gallons that each tree is getting isn't really a proper watering for the tree. They should get quite a bit of water at this size. This is just to get the fertilizer down. All right, let's do the next ones. All right, so that's it for today. I wish I would have been able to record more and I would have gotten more things done today, but that's just kind of how things go on the farm, where things come up and you got to take care of that instead. So that's all right. I still did get quite a bit of things done today, and then tomorrow I'm just gonna have to work on getting some of the other things done. All right, so hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.